Hi guys! Welcome to my Parfum channel. My name is Julia and I'm the owner of Parfum studio Ess-Bouquet. In this video I want to tell you about fragrance with rose. There are a million kinds of fragrance with rose, but I want to show you how to create white rose, red rose, watery rose, and honey rose and peony rose. And I would like to tell you what kind of ingredients you can use if you really want to create your rose at home. And if you are really very interested in creation some rose accords, you can put your comments under this video and we can do online workshop together to create your own rose. Okay, let's go to see my rose. Stay tuned, it will be very interesting. As you know, there are many different kinds of rose. Today I have this rose in my studio. This rosy, honey, fresh, a little bit cold rose. And today I will create some kind of this type of rose. A rose accord, one of the most popular in parfum. There are a million kind of fragrances with a rose accord. We can find red rose, we can find Bulgarian rose or damask rose, we can find centifolia roses, and we can find white and watery and honey rose. Some roses are more watery and green, another one more honey and sweet. Everything just inside your imagination and the creation of parfumer. Today I want to show you 3 different fragrances with the rose. Different name, but similar rose inside. Okay, for my nose. Let's start to see Trendy rose. One of the trendy rose is pink peony fresh rose. And we can find this kind of rose in Parfums de Marly. For me, very similar LK Parfums, name Mémoire de Daisen. Again, peony, white, pink, fresh rose. And a little bit more sweety, but still peony, fresh rose is Boucheron Rose de Sparta. Okay, let's smell all these fragrances. Start with Delina La Rosée from Parfums de Marly. Aquatic, peony, pinky, fresh, a little bit musky, rose, touch of fruit notes, and I feel special ingredient, very popular now. Name is Pitalia. It's very difficult to buy, but it gives freshness, peony, some kind of aldehyde aspect. Freshness, light for rose accord. A little bit fruity, but not sweet. Very good for me for summertime. Next one is Mémoire de Daisen from LK. I like this fragrance very much. This one, rosy, peony, white, pinky rose. A little bit less fresh, but more jasmine style. A little bit more musky, more comfortable, less fruity than previous one. A little bit woody note, some kind of dream wood, some kind of patchouli, light patchouli, and of course easy super. This one a little bit greener than previous one. Okay, the next one, Boucheron Rose de Sparta. This one sweeter. I feel ethyl maltol. It smells like sugary on the top. Then I smell same raw material as Delina La Rosée. It's more woody, more vanillic, more sweet, but still freshness. In the end, I feel a little bit dry. It goes from vanilla and some woody notes. This fragrance much more long-lasting than previous two. Okay, as for me, I like this style of rose. A little bit peony, white, pinky, a little bit watery and fresh. And today I want to show you how I create some kind of fragrance with these watery freshness, white, pinky, peony rose. Okay, let's start to create fragrance with the rose. I have some formula for the rose in my book, but I will not show you. But if you want to create with me, you just write me your comments and we can do it together. Now I will show you some points which is very important for fresh rose fragrance. Let's start with the freshness first. I use floral ozone, just a little bit, because sometimes it smells much synthetic, but it's very good for freshness. And then I use Helianal. It works very good with the floral ozone. If you don't have Pitalia, I can recommend you use a little bit Peonil. It's freshness and peony raw material. After, I use some special accord with the rose, which I prepare already. Then I add touch of green raw material. Then Isa E Super. And after, I use more mask, 3 more mask raw material. And after, I dilute it with the alcohol. Now I need to wait when my fragrance will be ready, and after I can use it. Voila! Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you are really very interested in creation in parfum, please contact me or put down this video your comments, and we can make online workshop to create rose accord or maybe parfum. See you in next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.